Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Veronica, and today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm coming with another hair tutorial. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this mermaid beachy hairstyle look. So if you guys would like to know how I did this, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to click notification bell to be notified every single time that I update a new video on my YouTube channel. And that's for the deal. Let's go ahead and start with the video. So like what I said in the intro, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get my mermaid hairstyle, and this is a really quick and easy hairstyle that I've been doing since summer 2020. I have so many ways to achieve mermaid looks, but today I'm gonna show you guys one of my recent ways, and honestly I think you guys gonna love it because it's less longer and also it's look more realistic. So the first thing and the last thing that you're gonna need is this tool right here. I'm pretty sure you guys already saw something like this all around YouTube because a lot of people have this iron right here, and honestly I really love it. I got mine from Amazon, and you can get in any color you like. I just decided to get pink and black because I think it's really nice. The maximum height of this iron right here is 210, but when I use it on my wigs I usually go with 200. I think it's perfect for my wig. So if you're gonna use it in your natural hair, I will recommend probably go with 180. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the hair, I'm gonna move everything on the back, and then I always start on the back of my hair. I'm gonna separate my wig or my hair. I'm gonna take this piece out, and whatever left I'm gonna put it on a bun. This is what I'm gonna start working with. You can do a small pieces, or you can also do a big or medium, it's up to you, but for me I like to do kind of like big. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate this in two pieces, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna start working with this one right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it down. You can either use gloves or not, but I don't really mind. You have to make sure that you use your dominant hand because honestly this is a little bit heavy. I'm gonna go ahead, open it, and then I'm gonna take this piece of hair and I'm gonna put it in the middle. I don't like to go all the way at the end of my hair because I just feel like it's not necessary. And you're gonna hold it. You can hold for 10 seconds or more depending what type of beachy look you try to achieve. Like for me, I like to hold it for 10, and then what I'm gonna do after 10, I'm gonna start releasing the iron. And as you guys can see, have my finger here because that's gonna help me to open the iron. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna go far, I'm just gonna move a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the other one. I don't like to move farther because I don't want them to have a space on the middle. I like to go a little bit closer to each other. Basically that's how you get it. What you have to do is just hold it for a second, and then you release, as you guys can see, and then you use the other one. So as you guys can see, we are getting to the end of the hair. I'm not gonna do the end of the hair. I like to keep the end of my hair straight. That way I think it's look more natural. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the end, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So I'm excited. So after 10 seconds, I'm gonna leave it, and as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. So it's kind of like loose because like what I tell you guys, I don't want them to be kind of like hard. I like them to be more kind of like loose beachy waves. And if you want them to be more like defined, you can kind of like wait more longer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final result. I'm excited. can see, I just finished to do the rest of my hair. I love this. Okay, you can either brush it or you can either use your hand. Like for me, I like to go with my fingers through the hair, and after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take whatever piece that I have, especially on the top of my hair, and I'm gonna redo them just to make everything look good. Final result of the hair. I really love this hairstyle. I think it's one of my favorite hairstyles, especially during summer. This hair look is just bomb, and it's go with any type of outfit that you're gonna put on summer. I'm gonna leave down below this iron right here in case you guys would like to get it. This video is not a sponsor, it's just my recommendation. If you guys really like an affordable and nice quality iron to do a mermaid hairstyle look, because I know that those can actually be a little bit pricey, and if you are someone like me who like to achieve amazing looks with affordable products, I recommend this one right here, and I'm gonna leave it down below, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, basically that's all about today's video. So I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching one more time, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.